In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this particle animation in less than 4 minutes. The basic particle setup is almost identical to the previous tutorials. I have created a plane, and rotated it so that it would blast the particles to the right. The plane has a particle emitter, and it's using the cube as its particle object. Here are my particle settings. Here are the full material nodes. By turning off the gravity, we can blast the particles toward any directions its source is rotated to. This would make an excellent animation as well. Here comes the interesting part. I have added a force field to the scene. If we increase the force field strength, we can repel the particles backward like this. Here are my force field settings. We can create an interesting animation by assigning keyframes to the force field strength like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.